Are you a university student? Have you ever felt difficulty in writing a research paper? Many students struggle with writing good research papers in their academic life at university. So, this video will guide you through different steps to design your research paper. The first step includes thinking about the idea or topic in your scientific field. The topic can be something that you are interested in. Personal life experiences may also help you find a relevant topic. For example, your experience as an employee or manager may help you find a relevant topic in management sciences that you want to explore more. The recent climate problems in your city or country may invite you to explore their reasons and solutions. If you find many ideas, list all ideas with the most interesting at the top. After selecting one or multiple topics, the next step includes gaining knowledge about the topic. Use different keywords to find the relevant literature to your chosen topic. The library and online databases, such as Google Scholar, Web of Science, Scopus, etc., can be used to find the literature. So, read the previous research papers and write an outline. It is better to explore all the different types of literature, for example, experimental research, theoretical research, applied research, review paper. The following questions may help you guide the literature review. What is knowledge already available on your selected topic? How has the article defined the essential components, such as the research question, methods, and outcomes? Are the methods used in the paper logical, correct, and statistically significant? What methods were used previously to conduct research? Are the results based on accurate explanations of the data? What knowledge is missing that requires more research? The literature review outline will help you finalize the research questions and design. After the procedure, ask yourself if you have adequate empirical or theoretical proof to support your assumptions. Have you identified all the significant contradictions or limitations related to your research topic? The third step includes finding the target journal. Some experts suggest this step at last. However, selecting a target journal initially is helpful for researchers to gain familiarity with the journal. Deciding on the best target journal for your research is vital to your publishing achievement. A good journal will benefit other researchers in your field to find your research. An early and good selection will save time and effort by preventing negative responses from journals. Picking the correct target journal can also expand the possibility of achieving goals like rapidly publishing in a highly competitive area. So, in this step, list the target journals where you want to publish your research paper. And reading papers published recently in these target journals help design your paper. Further, read the aims and scope and author guidelines of target journals. Once you have selected the topic and done a literature review, the next step is conducting the research. Different disciplines have different methods and procedures for conducting research. The literature review in the previous step may help you make the research design and what methods are helpful for you in research. It may include experimental research, quantitative research, qualitative research, systematic review, meta-analysis, action research, etc. If you have any problem in research, or you want to use a method in which you do not have the expertise, it is best to invite your colleagues and researchers to collaborate. Using the most appropriate and advanced methods in the research is always advised. Once you have obtained results, start writing the first draft of your paper. There is no standard format for research papers in all scientific disciplines. However, a typical research paper includes an introduction, literature review, research methods, results, discussion, limitations, and conclusion. Each section of the article must provide detailed information. For example, the introduction should give background information on the topic and the study's main objectives, and the literature review should give the recent literature available. Research methods should report the methods and materials used in the study and provide all information for animal or human studies, like how they were recruited and how ethical considerations were followed. Results provide the study's main findings, but be careful not to make conclusive statements. The discussion argues the main results of the study. The last part should report conclusion, limitations, and practical implications of the research. The sixth and last step is final validation. Once your first draft of the paper is ready, the next step includes different tasks to validate your research paper. Experts in your field are the best people who could provide feedback and suggestions to improve the writing. So, getting feedback from different people in your scientific discipline is always advised. Reading the article multiple times is also recommended. Once the article is revised after experts' opinions, formatted according to the journal's requirements. Every journal provides author guidelines, which are aimed at helping authors to prepare their papers according to journal requirements and guide them through the submission process. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have more questions, contact me on Facebook or subscribe to this channel.